A very good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, right. So, yeah, we can have a quick recap and we can discuss what we did in the last week. So, yeah, can you all remember what we did in the last week?
How to do a presentation.
Okay. Okay, did we or did I show you all how to add animations, transition, everything for your presentation?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. We'll do it today. Okay. So, yeah, if I'm not wrong, so as you all said, last week we discussed, okay, how to do a presentation. That means after completing everything, okay, how to present, okay, and what are the important things that you have to focus when you are going to present, or when you are going to do a presentation, or when you're going to perform something like, okay. So, but I missed how to like show you all how to add animations, transitions, and everything. So I think this is the thing that we did last. That means last before class, not last week. Last before week. Okay. So here we have created the full presentation, adding videos, audios, everything we have done. Okay. Then insert tab is okay. Then we have something called design tab. Okay. Then we have something called design tab. Okay, so in design tab, what you can do is you can apply styles for your presentation. See, our background is just white. Okay, just white. What you can do is you can apply any designs. It will get applied for the full presentation. See. Okay. Oh, sorry guys. Okay, so here you can see you can apply any styles and it will get applied for all the slides. Okay, so once you change the designs, you can go to new slide and check. So earlier we had only 9. Now how many we have? We had only 9 layouts here. Okay, but we have more. So what is it? Right? I told you all, right? So if you all can remember, I told you all that whenever you change a design, sometimes this design types or the layout types might get increased or it might get decreased. Do you understand? According to your design. Okay. You can apply any color collection for that. Okay. See, colors. You can apply any color collections. Okay, or if you want customized colors, you can go for it. Then fonts, you can change the fonts that you want. Okay, what are the fonts you like, but it will get applied for everything. Okay, and effects, if you have anything, you can apply that. Then the background styles, you can change the colors like this. You can do whatever you want. Okay, and that's how it works. Okay, that's how it works. Now we'll say you can do like this also. We'll say for slide number 2, you want to put another style. Okay, we'll say you want to put this. Okay, this one, no, this one. Then you can right click. Okay, and say apply to selected style. And you can see only for that. Then it will say this one apply to selected slide. So you can do that. Okay, each slide different styles, but usually we don't do that. Okay, usually we don't do that because when you do a presentation, there should be a flow. Okay, අපි දැන් presentation එකක් කරනකොට ඒකේ flow එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ නිසා font sizes, font colors, designs ඔක්කොම අර එක විදියටම තමයි තියෙන්න ඕනේ. So that's a rule. Okay, so always remember நீங்க ஒரு presentation செய்யிட்டு ஒரு flow ஒன்று ஈக்கணும்னால font size, font colors, slide style எல்லாம் வந்து உங்களோட end of the presentation ஆகாது சேமாக தான் ஈக்கணும். Understood? So always make sure that you right click and say apply to all slides. This design of your slide should be applied for all the slides available. Okay. Give me a minute, guys. Okay, then. So here, then what you can do is you can even change the slide sizes if you need. Okay. So standard size, widescreen, or you can go for custom slide. Then what you can do is you can make it portrait or landscape. Okay, portrait, landscape. Then you can put it to, you can change like paper sizes, A4, A3, or any custom ones. Okay. Here, then you have another option called format background. Okay, you have another option for format background. So you click this, right? And it says solid fill. You can put any colors. See, can put colors. Then you have gradient fill. Okay, so you can change colors, and you can have the different colors, and you can have shades, right? You can have shades. And the next option is picture or texture. You can select picture or texture. So this is a texture. If you want to change the background picture, go to file. Okay, just we'll say you want to put this as background. See, you can change background images, picture or texture fill. Then you go file. Okay, and this will be as the background. Now you can see when you put some dark backgrounds, your contents will be disturbed. So what you can do is you can increase the transparency here. When you increase the transparency, like your image will get, or your background image will get in a transparent way. That's in the sense it will get lighter. So you can see now, if it is very dark, you can see this is not visible. Okay, these letters are not visible. So I'll just increase this here. And now you can see it is clearly visible, and also you have a proper background image. So if you want, you can go for background images then. All right, clear? So any doubts in this?
No, sir, clear.
Yeah, there are some questions. How to add a new design in Google? That one I'll show. Okay, how to add new designs from Google. Repeat. Which one do you want to repeat? Yes, you can take the printouts of this presentation, or you can make it as a PDF file. You can do those things. I'll show you. I'll show you how to download a new design from Google and how to edit it. And then, yeah, printout I'll show you. So repeat in the sense which one? Which one you want to repeat? Which particular one? Please tell me. I'll repeat. Okay. Okay. How to print it out? Same like this. Go to file, print, and you click print. Everything will be printed. Print. Okay, all your slides will be printed. So when you give the print option, all PDF. So when you give a print option, it will tell what are the things. Then you click save as. Okay. Then here it says save as type is PowerPoint. You click this and you can save it as PDF, and then you can take printouts from there also. Okay, you can save it as PDF. Okay, so now once you have completed a presentation, okay, how to put it in presenting mode? It's like this. Here you have one shortcut option, and here you have one. Okay, this button, okay, this preview button or this presentation button, what it will do is, okay, oh, so we were talking about background image, right? Background image, and you can click the option apply to all. You can see after you given the transparency and everything, apply to all in your presentation. Every slide it will get applied. Okay, it will get applied like this. Okay, now we'll say you want to keep it just empty, then again apply to all, it will get. Okay, you can say reset background, so everything will be reset. Okay, දැන් ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ presentation slide එකේ හරි දැන් background image එකක් මාරු කරන්න ඕනේ නම් design tab එකට ඇවිල්ලා අන්තිම එකේ තියෙනවා format background. So design tab එක වන්දේ format background option එක போனா මේකේ options තියෙනවා. ඔයාලට solid fill, gradient fill, picture, texture fill, pattern fill, right? So then picture fill එක select කරාම මෙතන file කියලා option එකක් තියෙනවා. Right? When you click this, okay? මේ tab එකේ නැත්නම් මේ window එකේ ගිහිල්ලා ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේකට ඕන background image එකක් select කරගන්න ඕනේ. Okay? ඔයාලන්ට ඕන එක්කෝ download කරපු එකක් නැත්නම් ඔයාලන්ට කැමති එකක් දාගන්න පුළුවන්. මම නිකන් දැන් downloads එකට ගිහිල්ලා මේක add කරාම you can see there is a image added back. Okay? දැන් apply to all කියලා click කරාම ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ presentation එකේ තියෙන ඔක්කොම slides වලට අර background එක ඒ style එක ඔක්කොම එහෙමම paste වෙනවා. apply to all. හරි. එහෙම නැත්නම් reset background දුන්නාම ඔක්කොම reset වෙයි. නැත්නම් solid fill I apply to all. Okay. So that's about that. Now we are in the slide number 5. Okay. We are in the slide number 5. මම දැන් presentation or slideshow option එක click කරානා. Okay. Now in the slideshow option press பண்ணா slide number 5 ல இருந்து தான் போகும். Okay. You can see the slide number 5 is in a presentation view. Okay. I'll say I'm in slide number 10. Now I'll put slideshow. You can see it is visible. Okay. So slide number 11, you click this. You can see again slide number 11. Okay. Now I have selected slide number 13. Okay. Then mama slide number 13 තමයි මම select කරලා තියෙනවා. நான் இப்ப slide number 13 option தான் select பண்ணி வச்சிக்கிறோம். Okay. Now what I will do is if you click this option or the shortcut key is control F5. Okay. මේ option එක වෙලා control F5 shortcut key එක. නැත්නම් මේක click කරාම if you click this what it will do is it will start from the beginning. See how to do a presentation. It comes from the first slide. You are in the last slide. මම දැන් අන්තිම slide එකේ ඉඳලා මේක click කරනවා. click කරාම පළවෙනි slide එකේ ඉඳලා තමයි presentation එක පටන් ගන්න. Understood? So that's about this. Okay. Okay, now let's move and how to go to the next slide in this. You can click, that means mouse click, or you can press any buttons, might be like arrow keys or whatever. We'll say I'll press arrow keys. So you can see it is moving to the next slide backward. Okay, arrow keys then ඔයගොල්ලන් press කරාම ඊළඟ slide එකට යනවා. නැත්නම් backward arrow key එක press කරාම මේකට කලින් තිබ්බ slide එකට යන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, එහෙම නැත්නම් mouse click වලින් ඒක මාරු කරගන්න පුළුවන්. So you can see, but it is just changing. It is just changing. Okay. Now we will add some transition for this. Okay. So I'll just go to the transition tab and you can see transitions will be usually applied for slides. Okay. We'll say I put move. Then I'll say split. I'll say wipe. Then have this. Then have this. And then okay, have this. And then what else? I have this. Okay. I'll say you select this. Now we'll start the, okay, now. So up to number 7, we have added transitions, and number 8, 9, we haven't added any transitions. Okay. Right. Now, if I want to start the presentation, I'm in the 7th slide. Okay. If I want to start it from the beginning, so which option I should select? This or this? Which option?
Icon which is in the top.
Icon which is in the top. Very good. Okay. Then මේක ඉඳලා පළවෙනි slide එකේ ඉඳලා ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ presentation එක පටන් ගන්න ඕනේ නම් මේක click කරන්න ඕනේ. ඔන්නාද slide ல ඉඳි presentation start பண்ணனும்னா இந்த button press பண்ணனும். Okay. So you click this, so you can see it is starting. Now I'll just move using my mouse. So you can see the change. Earlier we didn't have these kind of animations and all. See. Okay. Then this slides you can see we didn't add. Okay. So this is the difference. Always remember now for each slide, okay, for each slide I have added different types of transitions. Always remember, okay, you can use any of these transitions. Okay, this one, okay, you have to use something that is very simple, okay, because when you put very much fancy transitions and everything, your audience will be interested in your animation. Did you understand? And aeroplane මේ වගේ අර fancy animations use කරාම කට්ටිය අර ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ animation එකට focus කරන්න පටන් ගන්න. ඊට පස්සේ ඕගොල්ලන් කරන presentation එකේ value එකක් නැති වෙනවා. ඉතින් இப்ப அழகான transitions யூஸ் பண்ணா உங்களோட ஆடியன்ஸ் வந்து உங்களோட ப்ரெசன்டேஷன்ல இருந்து அவுட் ஆஃப் டாபிக் போயிட்டுருவாங்க. லைக் அவங்களோட அனிமேஷன்ஸுக்கு மேல அவங்க ஃபோக்கஸை ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிடுவாங்க. ஓகே அடுத்த அனிமேஷன் என்ன வைக்கும், ஓகே, சம்திங் லைக் தட். ஓகே, and always remember now I have added different transitions for the different slides. Okay, මම transitions ඇවිල්ලා පළවෙනි slide එකට එකක්, දෙවෙනි slide එකට තව එකක්, තුන්වෙනි slide එකට තව එකක් තමයි දාලා තියෙන්නේ. එහෙම නැතුව ඔයාගේ presentation එකේ අර පළවෙනි slide එකේ ඉඳලා අන්තිම slide වෙනකම් ඔක්කොම අර එකම design එකක් use කරන්න, අර ඒ විදිහට use කරන්න. එතකොට තමයි හොඳයි. அந்த ஒன்னாவது ஸ்லைட்ல நீங்க என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணீங்களோ அதே இதை தான் ஃபுல் ப்ரெசன்டேஷனுக்கும் யூஸ் பண்ற மாதிரி வச்சுக்கோங்க. லைக் யூ கேன் சே pan, you will say pan, then you say apply to all. Okay, apply to all. Now start from the beginning. Now you can see it will be like, oh, it will look like everything is coming from down. See, like someone is pushing it up. So then it has a flow. You can see it has a flow. Did you understand? Let's then know what it should. Okay, you can see it has a flow like ඔක්කොම පල්ලෙ ඇඳලා ලස්සන්ටර එක විදියට අර ටේප් එකක් අදිනවා වගේ. Okay, something like that. All right, so that's how you do it. And then you have effect options. You can change, does it need to come from left, okay, or from right, or from top. Okay, you can add it any ways and say apply to all, it will get applied. Then you have sound. Okay, then you have sound. You can put any sound when a presentation is starting. See, if you start this, okay, those kind of sounds you can apply, but we don't use it at times, but some situations you might need to use, so then you can use it. Then you can apply some duration. It says 1 minute 30 seconds. Okay, so or else here you can see it says advanced slide on mouse click. That means when a PowerPoint presentation is going on, if you want to move to the next slide, දැන් මේ slide එකේ කතා කරලා ඔක්කොම ඉවර වුණාට පස්සේ ඊළඟ slide එකට යන්න ඕනේ නම් අපිට arrow key එකක් press කරලා තමයි අපි යන්න ඕනේ. දැන් ඔයා presentation එකක් කරනවා, ඔයාට අර confident මේකේ මම විනාඩි දෙකක් තමයි කතා කරන්න යන්නේ කියලා. ඉතල இந்த slide ல நான் 2 நிமிஷம் தான் பேச போறோம். If you have that confident, you can say after. Okay, you can take off the mouse click. Okay, or you can put both. Okay, and we'll say after 5 seconds. Okay. Okay, after 5 seconds. Okay. Now we'll put this slide. So see, I'm not going to press anything. If you wait for 5 seconds, automatically it will change. Okay, it will automatically go to the next slide. Did you see? It is automatically moving to the next slide. I didn't press anything. So here, if you put it after and mouse click both, like you can click the mouse and you can change, or else when you start, I'm not going to press anything. Now see, it will automatically go to the next slide after 5 seconds. Monath click करने तो 5 seconds එකට පස්සේ නිකම්ම ඒක ඊළඟ slide එකට යනවා. Okay, so that's bit difficult because sometimes we'll say if you are going to talk 5 minutes here and you have put 5 minutes exactly. Okay, if you talk more in that slide, the slide will automatically change. So there are difficulties in that. Okay, but still you can apply that. So that's what I wanted to tell you people. Okay, clear with that? Any doubts, any questions, any confusions you have?
Also, everything was clear.
Okay. Then the next step we have is transition. Okay, so transition is the first one, and the next one we have is animations. So animations you can't apply it for the slides. Animations you can't apply it for the slides. See, you can't apply it for slides. It is like disabled. Animations you can apply it for the words that are available in your slide. Okay, animations දාන්න පුළුවන් ඕගොල්ලන් type කරලා තියෙන වචන වලට ඕගොල්ලන් දාලා තියෙන images වලට තමයි දාන්න පුළුවන්. See, you put fly in. See, now everything, when you start the presentation, everything comes. Okay, you can select this and say spin, fly in. And say swell. And say bounce. Right. So here also you can apply any transitions that you want. Now I'll start the presentation.
Hello.
Okay, now when I start the presentation, you can see nothing will be there. Yeah, did I apply this? Not spin. We'll put something like, okay, yeah, we'll put spin. And you can see it comes. You click your mouse, it spins. You click, other words comes. You click, the other word comes. You go to the next slide. You click. You can see each word goes off. Okay, so you can apply like that. Okay, you can apply like that. Okay, now we'll say we apply something old, not fancy ones. We'll put only fly in. Okay, fly in. And here also I'll put fly in. So I start this. See, everything is empty. I click a mouse click, it comes. I click a mouse click, it comes. Mouse click comes. Oh, arrow key, then it comes. Go to the next slide. Empty. Press this. Press each of the options like this. Okay. So for each mouse click that you press, it is getting visible. Okay. So each mouse click you click, it is getting visible. What you can do is then in the animation pane, okay, in the animation pane, when you click this, it says on click. Okay. On click यानी then हम presentation के start कराना ஒன்னாரி arrow key ஒன்னாரி press कराना on click னு சொல்றேன் என்ன சரி நீங்க press பண்ணாதான் அந்த words எல்லாம் வருது animation ஓட okay அது உங்களுக்கு change பண்ணிடும் okay you can change that okay මෙතන තියෙන start එකේ on click කියලා තියෙනක ඕගොල්ලෝ with previous නැත්නම් after previous okay with previous දැම්මා නම් ඔක්කොම එකට එයි okay with previous we'll start from first. Did you see everything came? I didn't click anything. I'm not clicking anything. And then කලින් ඇවිල්ලා slide එක දැන් මේක බලන්න okay slide එක open කරාම මොනවද එන්නේ okay nothing is coming okay ஒண்ணுமே வரதில்லை நான் mouse click பண்ணாதான் ஒவ்வொன்றா வரும். Did you see mouse click பண்ணாதான் ஒவ்வொன்றா வரும். So what you can do is if you put after previous here okay after previous or with previous it will come with the previous slide. See with previous and with previous here you see here what happens you can see everything comes together okay everything comes together. You can even change it to after previous in the sense one by one it will come okay first the animation next the other animations. See I'll put after previous okay after previous start. So you can see one by one it comes. I'm not pressing anything. See first the heading each points then that's it okay so you don't need to click like this one by one so it will be difficult for you because sometimes some points you will forget okay sometimes the image also you'll add some transitions okay so for the image so you might forget that you have added an image in this slide so there are chances so always make sure when you add any of these animations or transitions or here right you make it with previous or after previous. With previous means everything together. After previous means one by one. In a order it will come. Okay. One by one like this. See. Okay. I didn't change everything. So after previous and then after previous. So see. First, then the points, then the image. Okay. I didn't click anything. One by one it comes. If you put with previous, the same thing. And now you start, you can see everything together at once. So that is the difference with previous and after previous. Clear with this? Are you all clear?
Yes, sir.
Now in slideshow mode also there are options like from the beginning. So from the beginning means this option. You can click from current slide, that is this option. Okay. So you can present online, then custom slide. Okay. You can say custom shows and you can add those things. Okay. Then set up new slide, hide slide. Then there is option called rehearse timings. Usually when you do a presentation, they'll give some time limits. 5 minutes, 10 minutes or 15 minutes. අපි දැන් ප්‍රසන්ටේෂන් එක කරනකොට අපිට ටයිම් ලිමිට් එකක් දෙනවා. අර විනාඩි 5න් ඇතුළත අපි ඉවර කරන්න ඕනේ කියලා. නා 5 නිමිෂத்துக்கு முடிக்கணும் இல்லாட்டி 10 நிமிஷம் டைம் தருவாங்க. So what you can do is you can say rehearse timing. Then the timer will start. Okay. Then you can start to do the presentation and see, okay, how long are you taking to complete this presentation? Okay. So you can see here, see this, guys. For each slide, I'll just close this. Rehearse timing. Okay. So there are 2 times here. One is this, one is this. This is the total time that you have taken to do the presentation. This is how long you are taking per slide that you are in. Okay. So for this slide, I have taken 15 seconds. I'll go to the next slide. So see, total time is 18 seconds. For this slide again, I'm starting from 0 again. And you go. So see, total 26 and here. So you can do that. Okay, you can do that. Then you can record the slides. Okay, then so those are the options that we have in usually in PowerPoint. So any doubts in this? Y'all have any doubts or questions in this?
No, sir, for me everything is clear.
All right, okay. Then when we were doing how to do a presentation, then I told you you have to practice. Okay, you have to practice the presentation. Then I told you the best option to practice is one is you practice in front of the mirror. Okay, you practice your presentation in front of a mirror. Here we have another option in online office. If you have online office or if you have Outlook account, you can go to office. Okay, let's say, okay. We'll say just upload this presentation. Okay, sorry about it, guys. Sorry about it. Yeah. Now, what I have done is I have uploaded the online office. That means the presentation that we did in online office. Okay. Then here we have some options. Some options that you will have extra in online office. Some options you will not have. Okay. When you compare with online and offline office. So here there is an option called designer. What it will do is, according to your presentation title or topic, it will design and it will give you slides. Okay, see how to do a presentation. It is giving with a logo and all contents. So according to that, it is giving. Okay, so like this, when you go to each slide, it will give some designs. Okay, then we have dictate option. Okay, that's what I was showing. I didn't notice that my mic was muted. Okay, I will say you want to type something. You put the dictate on, then whatever you talk, it will get typed. Next line. See, it's very easy. You don't need to keep on typing. Even in online MS Word, you can use that. If you have large paragraphs and everything to type, you can use this dictate option. It's very easy. Then you have to check for spellings, grammars, and everything. So if it is correct, then that's it. And you can click this and switch it off. Okay. It's very easy here. Okay. Then the same way insert, then we have a draw option, design, transitions, animations, slideshow. So in slideshow tab, we have an extra tab called, okay, in slideshow tab, we have extra tab called rehearse with coach. Okay, the option we have is rehearse with coach. Okay, so if you click this rehearse with coach, it is like we check the timing in offline office. අපි දැන් අර offline office එකේ slide එකට කොච්චර වෙලා ගන්නවද කියලා බැලුවා වගේම තමයි මේකේ ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ language එක කොහොමද, body language එක කොහොමද, presentation එක කොහොමද කරන්නේ, ඒ විදියට report එකක්ම generate කරේ. உங்களோட presentation நீங்க எப்படி செய்றீங்கன்னு சொல்லி report ஒன்று தரும். So I'll click rehearse with coach. Okay, so see the presentation is getting started. Okay, then here it says start rehearsing. I'll say start rehearsing. Now what it will do is, okay, start rehearsing, and it will tell, like it will give comments on your presentation, how you are doing. So how to do a presentation, like whenever you do it, it will tell. Okay, so now these are the contents and everything. Then you can move to the next slide. Here you can see now the timer is going, and also it will show some like here off to a good start and everything. It will tell, and try not to use too many filler words. Like if I always use it, like try varying your pitch and adding emphasis to keywords. Okay, now we'll say I use too many words like and I'm thinking, see, try not to use too many fillers like okay, like if you do those things, it will give a proper feedback. So like that you can go to each slides and you can talk your contents and see to your computer. It means actually you can present and see. Okay, now I'll just stop this. Okay, while I'll end the presentation. So now you can see your rehearsal report summary. Good job rehearsing, keep it up. Okay, total time I have taken is 1 minute 15 seconds. Total number of slides 7. You like see 130 words per minute I have spoken. So it says it's a not bad, not like not bad or not too fast. It is like I'm going in the average speed. Okay, then the pitch. Low pitch variation will make your audience lose interest. Try increasing the tone for your key points. See, it is showing like how much. Your average pace. Fillers. To sound more polished and confident, try to avoid using filler words. Pause or take a breath or to relax. Some filler words to avoid are and actually. So these two I have used more. Then it says a repetitive language. Nice work. Your variety of words choice will help keep your audience engaged. But මෙතන report එකක්ම කියයි. ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ language එක කොහොමද, ඔයගොල්ලන් මොනවද words use කරේ, time කොච්චරද, අද மாதிரி அந்த உங்களுக்கு full detailed report on that. Then pronunciation. See, based on general American English, good job. Your pronunciation sounds clear. Then originality. You avoided reading slide text aloud. That's good for keeping the audience engaged with your message. That means it is telling, okay, I didn't read anything from the slide. I have just explained. Did you understand? It will give a detailed report on how you did the presentation. Then you can go for this option. If you tick this body language, okay, if you tick this body language, when you start, your web camera will be switched on, or you can switch on your web camera and you can do your presentation. Okay, you can use your do your presentation. So accordingly it will tell how is your body language, are you moving your hands, are you talking properly, so all those things. So this is a good option that you can use in PowerPoint, online PowerPoint. So you can practice from this, like trying talking. I think rehearse with coach. I think you can use you can change the languages as well. I think no, I think you can talk in any language. I think. So start rehearsing. Yeah, there are options. I think you can talk something like ඕගොල්ලන්ට අර ඕන language එකේ කතා කරලා try කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඒක නිකන් කියයි ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ මේක කොහොමද කියලා. ඒත් ඉංග්‍රීසි එකේ කියනවා වගේ අර detail එක එච්චර accurate නෑ. ඒත් ඔයා කොහොමද presentation එක කරන්නේ, කොච්චර වෙලාද ගන්නෙ, මේ ඔයාගේ pitch එක කොහොමද, ඒ විදියට report එකක් නම් generate කරගන්න පුළුවන්. අපි වෙන language use කරා නම්, right? நான் தமிழ் இல்லாட்டி வேற லாங்குவேஜ்ல பேசுறேன்னு சொன்னா அந்த வேர்ட்ஸ் நாங்க கெப்பெல்லாம் முடுறோமான்லாம் பார்த்து So look, but if you use the language in English, it will properly give you a report. Okay, that means the report will be very much accurate. You don't need to worry. Understood? Clear? Any doubts or any questions you all have regarding this? Or do I need to repeat anything? If you all have any doubts, any confusions, you can ask me. Okay, we can discuss. So from today, we have completed the PowerPoint of module. So next class we'll start Excel on most probably on next Sunday. All right.
Okay, sir.
So anything else? Yeah, I have some. You can drop some questions if you have anything or any doubts. So we can discuss it. Else we are good to go. Yes. Okay then. Okay, guys. So
Okay, sir.
that's it.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. So that's it for today then, everyone. Thank you very much for joining. So we'll meet in the next week. Until then, everyone, take care. Bye. Stay safe and have a good night.
God bless you. Good night.